Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. So we are back in Geeto's food and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be about my skincare routine, my daily skincare routine. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications. So let's start. Okay. The first thing when I get up and do in the morning is wash my face. I use the Himalayas Purify Neem Face Wash. This neem helps to fight skin issues, acne, and reduces the chances of pimples, and it's very good for oily skin. And neem has antibacterial functions. So this neem and turmeric face wash is really good, and it works well on my skin. So this is the first thing that I do. And then the next thing is, before I take my bath, I always apply aloe vera, the gel of aloe vera. Just pluck a small part of the plant and take out the gel and apply it on your face. And it's really good for oily skin, and it's a great cleanser. So that really helps a lot. And then I wash my face only with basin. Basin, it is an exfoliator. It clears all the dirt and dead skin layers. So that's also a very good option. And then the next thing that I do is moisturize my face. That is after the bath. That is Lakme Peach Milk. That's what I've been using for some time now. And it's very good before you do the makeup also. And this moisturizer is really good. And this moisturizer is always to reduce the skin problems. It fights wrinkles and helps us to stay young. Please moisturize your skin. That's compulsory before you go out or you're staying at home also. And if at all I'm going out, I use the sunscreen. Sunscreen is always to protect from UV rays, and it prevents aging, prevents sunburns, and reduces tan. So this is the sunscreen that I'm using, Pond's White Beauty Anti-Spot Fairness Day Cream. So this is what I've been using for some time now, recently, and it's really good. So do try it out. Then what I do is, when I come back from home, when I come back home from outside, and before sleeping, I use this rose water. This is also a great cleanser. So what I do is, I just rub a little using a cotton ball. Be gentle on it, and then I just wash it with just plain water, or you can just leave it as is. Before I go to bed, I apply the night cream. So I'm using this Nivea's Aloe Hydration Cream. Again, night cream, it keeps your face hydrated and moisturized during the sleep. And it improves skin tone and texture. So this is what I've been using for some time now. So this is also really good, aloe vera product. Okay, and then so this is my weekly routine. That is a face pack, refreshing fruit face pack. So this is papaya and apple, again Himalayas only, and this is papaya and apple. Papaya removes the freckles and it smoothens the skin, and apple is to nourish and it brings a natural glow. And cucumber and fig provides a cooling sensation. So this, you can use it once or twice in a week, and I usually use it once. Then what I use again weekly basis is the virgin coconut oil. I apply before going to bath. That's on weekends usually. So this is cold pressed virgin coconut oil. So this also keeps the skin hydrated always. It's very good for dry skin. And this is my weekly face scrub. That is, I use the olive oil and the normal sugar. I make a scrub out of it, and this removes all the toxins and gives a natural glow. So this is my weekly routine. I do it every Saturday or every Sunday, whichever day I'm free. So it's really good as a scrub. So this is my weekly and daily skincare routine for morning and night. If you like the video, please like it.